Hi Max. Yes, it is possible to show date and time in various other formats as well. So let's take a scenario where I am creating a sample report for the explanation, and let's go to next, and we'll choose the snapshot layout report. So as you know, the date and times can be inserted with this option. So when you use this, it would be a format that you are mentioning in the mail, that's somewhat like this. But if you want a format like only date or only time, there are several options. So once you click over here, you can choose, like if you only want to display the time, then you can choose the date part as none, and then it will only display the time. For example, and then there are a lot of other formats in which you want to display the dates as well. For example, DD and MMMYY. And if you only want to display the date and do not want to display the time, you can choose this as none. And I'll show you the preview. For example, in this case, I have chosen my time to be none. So it displays the date only. And similarly, if I choose my date to be none and choose a time, then I will give a preview. Then it displays only my time and do not display the date. And similarly, there are tons of options. Like for example, if I want to get year first, and then I'll give preview, so it will show a date in different format. Yeah, so it's date and time. So whatever you like if you want only date, then you can choose it as none and go ahead. Let me know if you have any other doubts.